Hello.
And then more good morning.
Good day, Charlie. Good morning. It means water, good water. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, ba't mo goodbye? Sabi ka, good morning everyone.
I said that.
What? Anong weather ngayon?
Sunny,
Sunny? Ano pa?
cold.
Cold? Ilan ang temperature?
Let me ask Alexa.
Ilan ang temperature?
I don't know you.
I-guess mo lang.
It's 48.7.
Oh, 47? Ay, grabe. Ay, kainit. Hot.
It's 48.7.6 to cold
Ay, sige.
and hot.
Ay, sis. O, kanta ka muna.
Twinkle, twinkle, little stinky. Pasita, stinky.
Ay, sige ka lang, Stinky. Dapat yung
Sally,
real na kanta.
Tinapi.
Okay. May question ako sa'yo.
What's your question?
Hi, Cloud. I have a question.
What's your question?
My question, how to set up Alexa?
That's a great question. How to set up Alexa? Download the Alexa from your mobile devices App Store. Go to the more menu, select the plus sign, and select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo and your Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. Follow this step. When your orange light comes, it will just choose your language, and then it's ready to use.
And then,
It's
it's
done.
finished?
Yes.
Okay. So that's how you set up Alexa. Bye-bye.
Oh.